Hey guys, what's up? This is TecX and welcome back. So today there's an update regarding Samsung Galaxy A31. So let's check out what's that update. So you can see here a message popped here, update your device. So we will go from setting because we like to go from, they are also saying from here also. No, we will go from here, software update. So yeah, you can see download install. So yeah, you can see overall stability of function improved. So device stability improvement. So basically this all new and enhanced feature will be there. So let's see how much MB is where they have asked. So yeah, 174.38 MB. Okay, security patch level is updated to July. So yeah, pretty good. So if you wanna to know more about this update, so you can go through this website. Let's go and check out. So yeah, this is a official update area, so you can read if you want all basic things, all the versions, all things will be here. So check out if you want. I will put link in description. So yeah, this was the short video which I'm making. So regular video will be from next month because in this month I have exams, so I cannot focus on these things. So videos from next month, so stay tuned. Check out my previous videos. If you find helpful, share with your friends and hit that like button and subscribe. Share with your all Samsung A31 guys. I think all Samsung devices got this update from my source. So my source is one of my friend. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. So let's jump on update page. Let me show you how you can update your device. So